Non-competition setting, unfortunately broke his neck about 3 years ago, has come back from that injury. They were almost going to have to put him down. Vet said, you're going to be fine. He's recovered, and now look at what he's doing. This is a great, great underdog story for this off-the-track thoroughbred.
Kelsey Briggs, the Gentleman Pirate, CCI 2-star.